Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh R. Rathod, lecturer in mechanical engineering from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we will learn about cost elements in welding process. After subject estimating, costing and contracting, subject code 3351905 from mechanical engineering department. Let's start with introduction of welding. So what is welding? We all know about welding. Welding is a process of joining two or more metal parts with the help of heat or pressure, or with adding of filler material or not. Such type of process known as welding. So here we have the same definition. Welding is an operation whereby two or more parts are united by means of heat or pressure, or both. By means of heat, like arc welding, where electrode is heated and melted and fill the gap between two parts, or by pressure, like resistor welding or gas welding, where the first of all material heaters and then pressed to perform joining. It is usually used on metals. And the new one is thermoplastic. If we want to join plastic, first of all we have to heat heat them, and then we have to join them with the help of pressure. And the cost related from its design to final product making and selling, known as welding cost. It, it considers all points of its materials like base plate, welding electrode, workers who perform the work, and all overhead working like design, cost estimation, etc. Elements of cost in welding process. The main element of cost in welding process are: first one is material cost. Material cost like base plate, nut bolt, paperwork for design, tools, photo are the example of material cost. Labor cost. The person who performed the work. And the overhead cost of admin, printing, design, etc. Now the material cost of sheet, plate, casting, stamping, forging, etc. In welding process, we require sheet, plate of foam, or which we have to join. So first cost of material is sheet, plate, etc. Second cost of welding electrode for joining two metals. Cost of purchase part like nut, bolt, rivet, handle, latch, etc. These all parts are helping to maintain their position during welding process. Cost of welding electrode and material wastage. If in welding process we consume more electrode and the more material than required, the design shape and size, so there will be another cost of welding electrode and material wastage. Cost of finishing material like paints, plastic coating, rubber bonding, and metallurgy. After welding process, for better looking, there will be also a cost of paints, coatings, etc. Packaging material cost. And after painting and coating, before selling, there will be also a cost of packaging material. Now the labor cost. Direct labor cost of material cutting, edge preparation, cleaning as per drawing and specification. So before welding, we have to prepare a metal by its cutting, its preparation, and its cleaning as per our drawing and specification. After the cleaning, the material moved to a labor who made tack welding. The tack welding is a welding process made at and on at center by positioning the materials and parts in fixture before welding. remuneration to welder as per welding speed, types, number of passes, and welder rate. It is the wages given to the worker. We know about different type of welding process. So for all welding process, we require different worker to perform their operation. So there will be a cost of it. Labor cost of heat treatment after welding for relieving stress. So after welding, there will be a stress release in the workpiece. So for that process, we require heat treatment, which require another worker for it. Labor cost of removing unnecessary material, slag, spatter from workpiece to make necessary shape and size. So after welding is done, unnecessary material, slag and spatter are removed by another person. So there will be a cost of it. And the labor cost of burnishing, painting and anodizing, a special person for finishing it. Overhead cost, inspection and quality control cost, packaging and shipping cost, tools and equipment cost, administrative cost for paperwork, factory overhead, sales and distribution overhead, and power and energy cost. If we discuss about inspection and quality control, we require special testing machine or an expert for its inspection and quality control, packaging and shipping. From moving a workpiece from one place to another, there will be a charges of packaging and shipping, tools and equipment for holding the workpiece during the work, administrative like paperwork, factory overhead like its basic cost, sales and distribution, and power energy consuming in welding process. Now the factors affecting arc and gas welding cost. The first process material cost of base plate for welding job. For each welding process we require metal for its joining. Cost of cleaning dust, slag, oxide, oil, grease from the material. So before welding we have to clean it out. The second process material cutting and edge preparation as we discuss in welding process. Cost of tack welding after positioning workpiece into fixture. Cost of making special fixture and machine on hand. If we perform special type of job, we require special type of fixture and special type of machine. So there will be a cost of rent and fixture. Labor cost for perform all above work. Indirect cost of like tooling and equipment. Welding machinery efficiency. Machine efficiency also affect the welding cost. Power consumption, how much power consumed during welding is also affect. Time of welder fatigue and personal allowance. It is an extra time given to the worker to perform their work. Welding time, so how much time it consumes to perform the work. Material and electrode wastage. In every process there will be a chances of electrode wastage. Time consuming for removing slag from welded job. Cost of post-welding process like stress relieving and heat treatment, and cost of bending, anodizing. All these factors are affecting welding cost. Thank you students. Thanks for listening me carefully.